It's the first day of school and I'm gearing up for a morning drop-off right now, taking it left into the parking lot. Probably a good idea here. I wait for the oncoming traffic to go through. Doesn't look like I have any right turn right now, people heading into Excel, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my left right now. As you can notice, I'm staying to the left as I enter the parking lot. If we had right turners, we'd want to make sure that they're staying to the right side so that two of us could go through at the same time. Boy, right turners, it sure does help if you stay in your lane as well when I'm turning left into the parking lot. So I didn't encounter any right turners this morning, but man, if right turners you can do that, that'd be great. So circling around, staying in my lane right now in case I have anyone next to me, and pulling around, following the arrows here through the parking lot. And here we go, first staff member here. Oh, she looks so friendly. Looks right now like I have the right of way. This is typically where we merge in the mornings. Oh, what a friendly, nice face. Thank you, Mrs. Wells. So circling around, and now I'm merging over here in the morning because the other lane was stopped. And now I want to sneak over to the curb, and I want to pull up as far as I can so that a nice, friendly Excel staff member can let out my child in the morning. Oh, wonderful. It looks like Miss Kelly is the person this morning who's going to let out my child.
Good morning. So glad you're here today.
Well, I sure hope it's been a wonderful day at school for my son this first day. I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up right now. Head on into the parking lot for PM pickup. Looks like the traffic's all clear. Gonna take my left into the lot and stay to the left once again. Oh, that's right, good. I got my number ready to go. Sometimes I forget that and have to figure that out last minute, but I'm glad I got that and it's in the right car today and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to once again here stay to the left and stay clear of any cars that are in the other right lane. Looks like it's pretty smooth right now, not a lot of backup. And unlike the morning as I come through right now, I'm not going to merge over to the curb. I'm going to stay right here in this lane because I eventually want to get into the loading zone, and that's 2 lanes wide in the afternoon. So here I go, kind of turning around here. At some point, though, I need to get my number punched in. Oh, there's Mrs. Wells, perfect. Imagine she's gonna stop me here, make sure she sees my number. Sometimes I need to come to a complete stop just to make sure she sees it. Wonderful, looks like she does. So right now is where my son will know in the classroom that he needs to come on out. Sometimes there's a lot of cars already up in here, but it looks like it's pretty light right now. Looks like they're still loading. Well, they haven't started loading this particular window of time yet, so I'm safe to pull forward. They've not released the kids yet, so here I go all the way up to the stop sign. My son's really fast. I think I just saw him sneak out the front door, and he's right there on the sidewalk now, which is wonderful. He's pretty fast, which is great. So here we go. At some point, Miss Kelly will let him go. There's that, yeah, she does that every day, that kind of sing-song thing, kind of fun. So I imagine all the kids are going to load up now. I think I saw him, so he should be here any minute now. Hey, dude, hope you had a great day at school.
Hey, Dad.
Waiting here just a minute, okay? I know you're anxious to go, and I am too, but we're going to wait for the stop sign here to release us. Well, looks like everyone's loaded. All right, let's go, man. All right, tell me about your day.
It was great. I got to meet all of my teachers and see all of my friends again. It was a great day.
And one thing I do need to remember as I leave is right turn only as I leave this parking lot. Right turn only, even though both lanes can be used.